The truth is, if you don't understand break of structure, you're basically trading blind, guys. Welcome back to Trading from Scratch, episode 6. And for today's video, guys, we're going to be going over break of structure. This is literally the most important thing you have to learn about trading because now we're getting into market structure. Before, we just started talking about candlesticks, right? These are candlesticks, these bars on the chart. And then we moved on to what, highs and lows were. We moved on to what trends were. We moved on to all these different things, but now we're going to start understanding the first pattern within the market that beginners can easily start to learn and understand, and that's break of structure. So getting straight into it, guys, these are literally everywhere. So I'm going to give you guys some examples to the downside, on downtrends, and then some examples on uptrends as well. Now that you guys know what uptrends and downtrends are. If you do not, watch my previous video if you don't know what it is on episode 5 on trends, so you can understand what a uptrend and downtrend are. But here we go, right in front of us, guys. We have a break of structure to the downside. So when we identify break of structure, we're looking at usually 2 candles, but sometimes there's candles in between it. So in this instance, we have a 3 candle little story here. This candle was moving up, and what we call a break of structure is when a candle closes beneath where a bullish candle was heading, right? So we have this candle going upwards. So this wasn't a break of structure because where we closed was still basically in the middle of the candle, right? Where we closed though on this second candle is below where this candle opened. You guys have to understand with candlesticks, right? This is where they open. This is where they close, right? So basically for break of structures to the downside, it's basically us closing below where the bullish candle opened. So if that doesn't make sense, I'll show you guys more than one example. Do not worry. All right, let's get another break of structure to the downside. Okay, so this candle here opened right here, closed right here. So what you have to do to identify break of structure is, and I think you guys can go over, I'm not exactly sure where it's at. Oh, it's up here, right? Look for the horizontal rate future. Star that so it can pop up here in your like little, weapons list, right? You go to where it opened and you just click and draw that line. Wherever you see that we closed below it, and close means that like this bar ended up finishing, like closing, if that makes sense, right? Below it, then you understand that that's a break of structure. And I'm going to tell you guys later on what that signals to us as traders. But we're just going to identify it, right? Let's look for 2 more examples of break of structures to the downside. And as you guys continue to see this, it gets easier and easier. And, just practice and open up the chart yourself and you can see these all over. So right here, we have this candle. And you can do it with any. I'm not cherry picking candles, but we're just doing the top candle, right? You have where that candle opened, and you see we closed below it, so that is a break of structure to the downside. Now, break of structures to the upside are basically the same exact thing, just opposite, but we're going to give you guys one more for us breaking to the downside. So we have right here another perfect example. Where did we open? We opened right here. Draw a line. And what do you guys know? And let's make this white for you guys just so it's a little more visual. But what do you guys know? We literally have a break of structure to the downside because we closed below where this bullish candle opened. Now, the opposite. For break of structures to the upside, it's where we close above where a bearish candle opened. So this bearish candle, opened right here. I don't know why TradingView always does that when you like try to mark out something, but sorry about that, guys. So opened right here, closed right here. Why? Because it's going down, right? When we're going downwards, that is simply what we do. Now, when we have a candle like this, we're not marking the bottom because that's where we closed. We're marking the top. Why? Because that's where we opened. So we realize we opened right here. Where do we see a candle that closes above where that bearish candle opened? And we get that right here. That's a break of structure. All right, let's look for 3 more examples. Right in front of our face. These are literally everywhere, guys. We have a candle that opened right here. Put the line. Where do we close? Right here. All right. I'm going to start speeding things up just a little bit more because it's just more time efficient. But you guys have the video to go back and look if you're confused on anything. All right. And just ask me any questions in the comments as well. I'm more than happy to help you guys out on any questions that you may have. All right. Show you guys another example. We opened right here on this bearish candle, and we have a bullish candle that closed above where we opened, and that is a break of structure to the upside. Let's look for one more right in front of our face. This is where we opened. Boom. Guys, these are everywhere. These are everywhere, right? And when I learned break of structures, it amazed me how much they were like on the chart, because it's one of those things you're like, okay, what's a break of structure, right? You're learning it and you're probably thinking it's like, okay, break of structure right here. Okay, break of structure right here. Not realizing, guys, they're everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the upside, right? 8 right here from these dojis. Bro, they're literally everywhere, guys. And that might drive you crazy. That might excite you. That might confuse you. That might open your eyes. To each their own. But these are everywhere. So I hope you guys feel good that you guys can see these everywhere now if you have never heard of this, right? So we're going to talk about what these identify. So it's pretty simple. There's no complex answer here. And you guys can take notes on this as well. Break of structures are a confirmation that we may continue in the direction that we broke. I'm going to write that down for you guys. All right. All right, guys. So simply put, guys, a break of structure to the upside is when we close above where a bearish candle opened, and a break of structure to the downside is when we close below where a bullish candle opened. So these are the notes for you guys, and then I'm going to add the notes for what they mean. All right, so simply put, guys, break of structures just in general, whether they are to the downside or up, are a confirmation that we may want to continue in the broken direction. So you have to understand, guys, when we're literally getting a break of structure, we're breaking the direction. So, before we got that break of structure right here, guys, we are literally in the direction of an uptrend. You guys should know what this means now due to my last video. Okay, right here, we're still in the direction of an uptrend. Nothing has been broken. No structure of these candles have been broken. Okay, still nothing has been broken. The moment we get this, though, we understand the trend has been broken. The structure has been broken. So break of structures are a confirmation. It's not a guarantee, but it's a indicator. It's a sign that we may want to continue in that broken direction. What direction did we break in here? Was it up? No, it was down. So we may want to continue down. Let's see what happens. Okay, right? We go down. So it's one of the most consistent confirmations, one of the most best confirmations, in my opinion, as well, one of the most easiest confirmations. So let's just look at some examples of break of structures, and let's see what happens right after we break structure, just to show you guys that it's not a trader thing, it's a market thing. The market confirms itself. It's not about us here. The market doesn't even know we exist, guys, but it has patterns that we're able to read, and it's its own language. So let's look right here. And I know you guys already see it, but look, we break structure. Where do we go? Down. All the way up until what? We went down from 11:30 up until 12 o'clock. That's 30 minutes of a trend due to a what? Break of structure. Okay? And sometimes these can be a little choppy, right? Look, we have this move right here, a break of structure. But guys, we don't really continue down. We actually end up going back up. And then what are we doing right here? If you guys paid attention to my last video, you guys should know that we are ranging, right? We are in a sideways trend going up and down. We're not really breaking out to either direction. But let's show you guys some more examples to the downside real quick. So pretty easy examples here. We broke structure right here to the downside. What happens for the next 2 candles? We go down, then we want to go back up. So there's no guarantee of how much candles you will go down. If anyone tells you, okay, if you have a break of structure, here or so-and-so, like you're guaranteed to go down 3 candles. That's not true. Yes, some strategies are confirmed by, break of structures, but there's also a lot of context behind it. There's time contacts, there's other confirmations, there's other confluences that align with that break of structure. So then they can say, okay, the average, expectancy rate is maybe 100 points, right? But that's in context. That's not just from a break of structure. So you guys can't just trade. You guys can't buy a Top Step account and just trade with a breakup structure. You know, that's not going to make you profitable. You may win some, but you're going to lose a lot more than you win, and it's not safe. So I just want to explain that to you guys because that's very important. So right here, guys, another breakup structure. What happens? We continue down for the next 2 candles. All right, now let's look at some uptrend examples. So right here in front of our face, guys, we have a break of structure to the upside. What happens? We continue for the next 2 candles. All right, guys, let's look for more to the upside. And look, just to show you guys, it doesn't always continue. Look, break of structure. What happens? We get a fake out right here, and we're going to learn about liquidity in a future video, but then we go back down. But just understand, the market having this wick up here was very intentional. It was to fake out and take out people that use this break of structure to say we're going up. That's why, you know, we're going to get into it, but that's why time frames are very important. Sorry, because I'm sure on the 10-minute or 15-minute, this wasn't even a breaker structure up. All right, guys, we got breaker structure right here. What happens? We continue up for the next 3 candles. Breaker structure right here. We continue up for the next 2 candles. Breaker structure right here. We continue for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So these are a confirmation in itself. This is a real thing, guys. This is something I'm not making up. This is something that the market tells us, you know, and it's all over the chart, guys. This is what makes it so amazing. Breaker structure right here. We continue up for the next 2 candles. So these are something you want to go in the chart, you know, tonight or whenever you're seeing this, and just identify 20 breaker structures. And I know you're like, whoa, that's a lot. Well, number one, how bad do you want this, right? You can't click this video and say you want to be profitable, you want to learn day trading, and you can't put in some time. I'll tell you right now, as a beginner, to find 20 breaker structures shouldn't take you more than 90 seconds. Truth be told, because they're that easy to find. And you know, you just have to go look for it. But these are everywhere. That 20, once again, even if you are struggling a little bit, shouldn't take you more than like 3 minutes, guys. Seriously. So that's not a lot. It should really be 50. You know, if you really want to challenge yourself, find 50, you know, and then find, out of those 50, find 25 good examples of it, right? And then 25 bad examples of it. What do I mean? Find 25 times where we have a breaker structure like this and we actually continue to go up, and then find examples where we have a breaker structure but we don't immediately go right back up, right? We actually have this like some sort of choppy move, right? Find examples like that, because it's just going to help you with identifying good breakup structures and bad breakup structures. And your understanding is going to be extremely, extremely good. Understanding that I can't go buy a Top Step account because Nell taught me what breakup structures were. Because you would see it enough and understand that it is not a consistent enough confirmation by itself to trade off of, because you need to have context, you need to have timing. You know, what are you trading? London session, Asia session, New York, right? When are you looking for trades, right? What are you looking for before the breakup structure? You know, what's your buys? All these different things go into trading. So never, never, never watch any of these videos and learn something and feel excited and say, I can go trade. You know, you guys should not be buying any accounts until you've at least been paper trading. In my opinion, at least 3 months, guys. At least, bro. Like, you have to put in the work. You guys want the fast track and you wonder why you can't pass an account. You guys want the fast track and you wonder why you can't even get a payout. It's because you're not patient with yourself. You're rushing the process and you're getting punished for it every single time. So you guys have to take things easy, take things slow, and in due time, you guys will be able to understand everything, right? Liquidity, breaker structures, all these different confirmations, all these different things. But one day at a time, guys. You guys understand candlesticks. You guys understand wicks. You guys understand highs and lows, right? And now you guys understand break of structures. So now we're starting to slowly put the pieces together, you know, especially with the highs and lows and the break of structures, because now these are like real things. It's not just naming what's on the chart. And, you know, it's all going to come together and you guys are going to be able to fully understand my strategy and be able to make money like I do and be able to change your life like I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay blessed. Make sure you guys get that homework done, right? And I love you guys. Peace.